Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use spirulina for weight loss. Spirulina is a fantastic superfood that can truly support your weight management journey. Its rich nutrient profile helps you feel fuller, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. By incorporating this powerful algae, you can naturally enhance your body's ability to burn calories more effectively, making your weight loss efforts more successful and sustainable. It's an easy addition to your daily routine. Integrating spirulina into your diet is surprisingly simple. A popular method is blending 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder into your favorite morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start. You can also stir it into yogurt or a glass of juice for a quick, healthy addition. If you prefer, spirulina tablets offer a convenient, mess-free way to get your daily dose, perfect for busy schedules. When starting with spirulina, it's best to begin with a small dose, perhaps 1 gram, and slowly increase it as your body adjusts. Many adults find an effective daily dose to be between 3 and 5 grams. For optimal weight loss benefits, try taking your spirulina about 30 minutes before meals. This timing can help you feel more satisfied, potentially leading to smaller portion sizes and reduced calorie intake. To truly maximize your weight loss results with spirulina, remember it works best as part of a holistic approach. Pair your spirulina intake with a balanced, whole food diet to nourish your body effectively. Regular physical activity is also crucial, as it boosts metabolism and burns calories. Don't forget to stay well hydrated throughout the day. Drinking plenty of water supports all your body's functions, including fat burning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.